Hey guys, good morning and welcome from Aventura Resort, and we are visiting Universal Orlando, and today we're going to check everything going on in the parks and have a great time, so come along and join us. Alright, so like I said, we're here at Aventura, and like I said, I love this resort. It's probably one of my favorite ones to stay at Universal. This is probably my number one, if not visiting a premier resort, but just something like for value. It's a pretty nice stay at, pretty good access, and another one I want to show you is, I've done a video before, but you can actually go right here to walk to Sapphire and take the boat from here. Honestly, it's a pretty good cost saver. Probably save you about $100, $200 a night by doing that. So like I said, we're gonna head to the boat and see what's going on and check out the parks. It's gonna be an awesome day, but it is kind of a little chilly, but that's all right. We had a pretty good day at Epic at Universal yesterday though, but we'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, like I said, it's not a far walk. I would say from, if you're in the room walking out here, that's no more than probably about a five-minute walk from here to the docks. So pretty easy, or you can just actually, if you want to take a long walk, just walk to the City Walk. But we're going to take this little shortcut instead of taking the buses. We're going to head over here to Sapphire and take the boats to the parks.
Close to our OG bag.
All right, so we got all the bags checked in. We're in here on the boat. Now fix to go through a nice little boat ride and get to City Walk. All right, guys, let's grab up here. I just want to show y'all how to take the water taxi from Aventura to City Walk. It's probably about a 20-23 minute ride by the time we get checked in, walking down. Not bad at all. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, and we're gonna have another video here at Universal celebrating Mardi Gras. So make sure you subscribe and check that out. Until then, guys, see you guys in the next one. The vlog is out.